How to find a missing angle using the law of cosines. So the first thing we need to do is know what the law of cosines equation is. So here it is. Alright. So these lowercase letters here are sides. Okay. And then the angle inside the cosine is the angle across from its lowercase buddy. So in this case, alright, this capital C, it should be opposite of the lowercase c. And so that's the key thing when you're setting up the law of cosines equations, okay? You gotta make sure that you have the right letters corresponding to the right sides and angles. Otherwise, you're gonna get a weird answer. Okay, so now I just substitute. Alright, so remember c squared here. So that's this value. So 18.6 squared. A and b are both the same values. 16.9 squared. Then 2 times AB. 16.9. And then angle C. That's what we're looking for here. Okay? Alright, so once you substitute all your values, then you can solve for the unknown values. Okay? So I went ahead and multiplied these guys out here. And then in this step, I just added these two. And then from here to here, I just subtracted 571 and 22 hundredths from both sides. And got this. And then I divided both sides by negative 571 and 22 hundredths. And I got this. And how I went from this step to this step was you do the inverse sine, or the, inverse cosine, or arc cosine value. And that gives you 66.8. And this was in degrees. Okay. And lastly, since it is a word problem, kind of, you have to have your units, which are degrees in this case, right? And that's it. That completes our problem.